the winter is for some a little bit more tricky, more demanding than the summer tour. We try since many years to educate people working in our retailers. So then we have these Hilleberg Outdoor Academies.
Välkomna till Hilleberg nu. Det här är vårt huvudkontor.
And there they have the possibility to learn how to do it, what we have been thinking about when we constructed the tents. It's important for us to teach people how to use the tents in the summer, but also to use them in the winter.
We just arrived, everyone's getting packed and we're about to start the trip now.
It's my first time tenting here in the winter, so looking forward to it. It's gonna be great.
I'm feeling really excited. It's good weather, good snow conditions, and I'm looking really forward to it.
We're gonna ski for 1.5 hours approximately, and then we're gonna set camp for the first night. We do this kind of events because we want to take out the staff at the retailers and really show them how the customers use their tents. So it's like a real clinic, as we call it. We do it in the fall also, but the winter time it's not that many of those participants that has been out in the winter, so it's really to get out here and use the tents as they are supposed to be used.
Here we are, getting our tents up. Now it's probably some supper time or something.
Yeah, we are just finished eating breakfast and we are now packing down our tents and gear.
Plan is today to go up to above the tree line in the mountains, and we're gonna set camp approximately around 1,000 meters.
Så, vi ska gå.
Setting up the tent was quite easy actually. It went much smoother last night than it did the first night. And work up to this is incredible.
We are looking forward to nice nature views here in Sweden and a good ski back to the car.
The tour has gone really good, even if it's cold. It's, I would say, around minus 20 Celsius right now. But all the participants are really happy, they are laughing, and it's really nice to be out here with our retailers, and it's really nice to show them this.
Hilleberg Outdoor Academy was really, yeah, it was fantastic. I never put up tents, not any time. So for me, the whole experience with putting up tents was a learning experience.
If I put everything together, it was a really good experience for me, and I would like to do it again.
It was awesome. It was my first tour like that, and I really loved what we learned. I learned how the different tents look when they are up. I learned how they work in winter. I have never seen that. Yeah, it was awesome.